Good morning. What is up? I just woke up a while back and today is a shoot day for me, and I just thought I will take you guys along with how I kind of shoot my Instagram videos and stuff. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me about it. So what I do is, like, on shoot day I shoot a bunch of stuff, like as much as possible, so that then I can just take the next few days to just sit and edit and stuff like that. So today we have a long day ahead. I'm just going to quickly have some breakfast, and I also need to wash my hair because it's like really greasy, also because we have a lot of like beautiful like shots that I want to take with my hair. So yeah, that's where it's at today. So let's go. Hi guys, so I have actually just shampooed my hair, and I'm going to use this Biolarge Smooth Proof Pack Deep Treatment for frizzy hair. Of course, I have the world's most frizziest hair possible, so I am just going to, so this is kind of like a deep treatment, so you can use it like say once a week or so. So right after you shampoo, I'm just going to section off my hair, as you can see, and really like emulsify the product in my hair. Let it sit for a couple of minutes, like about say 5 minutes, and then rinse off. They actually have 3 variants that come along, so you can choose the variant that suits your needs the best. And my hair goes through just so much on an everyday basis, because of course I heat style my hair, I wear extensions, which you will see me when I'm kind of like shooting and stuff like that, and I obviously style my hair in different ways. They go through a lot. Okay, so having something like this really helps, because my hair does need TLC. Once a week for sure it does need TLC. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it in my hair. So the way I like using this product is that I shampoo my hair and then squeeze out all the excess water from my hair, and then take sections of my hair and really take my time to emulsify this product. The great thing about the Smooth Proof variant that I'm currently using is that it has got superfoods like camellia for strengthening and castor oil, which is great for conditioning. And they also say that this provides 90% more care than a conditioner, which is great for shoot days when I want my hair to look amazing. So after I'm done kind of putting the product in my hair, I kind of twist it and put it up in a hair bun and let it infuse in my hair for about say 3 to 5 minutes for it to do its magic. So yeah, now I think I'm pretty happy with the way that I have kind of emulsified this product into my hair, and I will chill for like say 5 minutes and then wash off my hair and see you later. So now I am out of the shower. I'm just going to use a little bit of hair serum to kind of finish this off. Like, my hair is still like pretty damp, so I'm taking a little bit of that serum before kind of my hair dries out. I usually don't like to use a blow dryer as such on my hair. What I do is I will kind of let my hair naturally air dry. I still have a little bit of skincare and obviously makeup that needs to go on, so I'll kind of do all of that, and by that time my hair naturally kind of dries to about say 70%. And then if I need to, I'll just go then I'll use a little bit of the then I'll use my blow dryer a little bit, just so that I can get my hair styled. But usually I don't like using my hair dryer on like this damp hair. Let it air dry a little bit and then get to styling. So basically, while my hair dries and stuff like that, I am just going to quickly show you guys my setup for today, so you guys have some idea of what's happening. So this is kind of the setup today. Hey, I know I look really cute right now, but we are about to look cuter. So this is kind of like my backdrop where you will see in most of my Instagram reels and stuff like that. I really like this because it gives the back like a really nice sort of a lit vibe, and because I already have so much of light in my background, I kind of only need like a little bit of a ring light, which is right here. So usually you will see this kind of a frame in most of my Instagram reels because I really like this backdrop, and we are just going to shoot a few like transformation sort of videos because they seem to be doing really well these days, and I really enjoy doing them as well because it gives you that wow kind of feeling. Now my hair is like 70 to 80% dry, so I'm also going to kind of just blow dry and style my hair. But before I do that, I'm going to quickly shoot like a before for my transformation, and then obviously I'll do my hair and makeup and do the after. So let's go. So this is how my hair looks. I know my hair looks really weird when it is short, like just my hair. So now I'm not going to really brush out my hair or anything of that sort. I'm just going to clip in my extensions. Now I have a beautiful bouncy hair, and I know my curls look a little weird right now, but by the time we are done with like getting dressed and everything, this is going to settle and the curls are just going to mix well with each other. So this is just going to mix well with each other, and I really love the way my hair is kind of looking right now. And honestly, like even though I'm wearing extensions, my hair feels so soft and nice, like legit. Like look at this, like how awesome is that? So yeah, I think the deep treatment did an amazing job, and now I'm going to go and be fabulous for the gram. So now I'm fully done with hair and makeup, and I am back again here at my transition location. So now we are going to do the after. I just played around with a little bit of blue liner. I am actually vibing with colorful eyeliners these days. So let's see how I do with the transformation. Hi, so we are done with one reel as of now, and I totally forgot to show you guys my super magic equipment. I don't know what to call it, and I totally forgot to show you something that makes all my shots legit magical. Ta-ta-da-ta! This is my standing fan, and I honestly love it so much because it gives me such like diva vibes whenever I want to like flick my hair and feel all like fabulous, if you know what I mean. And now you can tell that my curls have kind of settled in and they are blending in well with my extensions as well. And see, the thing is that you need your hair to look good because the extensions are anyways very good quality hair. So I need my hair to kind of look good so that they match my extensions. And I think that deep treatment did mama real good. So I might shoot just 1 or 2 more reels in this look because I don't want to keep this look for too many of my reels as well. And then let's get to edit. So now we are at my editing table. I have imported all of my files and kind of sorted everything out. This is the reel that I'm going to be editing in front of you right now. So as you can tell, I have already kind of done my lineup just to kind of make this tutorial a lot more easier. So this is kind of my first shot. As you can see, this is the before and then this is the after. Once I have kind of aligned the audio and video, now I'm going to really align the transition part because this is where it's at. So basically you have to see where your hand movement is, like it has to match the first and last frame for you to get that perfect kind of transition. So this is something that I'm happy with, so this is what I'm going to stick with. Coming to like the glam shots, I just pick out a bunch of like these shots from all the like the whole big reel that I've shot. And yeah, I just pick out these shots where, you know, my hair is flying and it's looking all amazing and all of that. And I feel like because I kind of did that treatment for my hair looks pretty fabulous in this reel, if I could say so myself. And yeah, I'm just going to quickly export this file and you shall see it on the gram. So yes, that is how I shoot and edit my reels for Instagram. I feel like the one thing like which kind of gives you that wow effect when you're doing like these transitions and all of that is definitely when you have like awesome hair. And especially that is why I feel like whenever I know I want to shoot for my reels, I want to ensure that my hair is looking fabulous and amazing. So if you guys want to check out the BioLarge Deep Treatment Pack, I will leave a link for it down below. Definitely check it out. And I think the price point is also so affordable. It's like $350 for that little tube, and you get like multiple uses out of it, like depending obviously on your hair length, but like for my hair length at least 4 or 5 times to chali jata hai. So that is kind of affordable if you actually look at it as well. So once a week, though, I definitely do that, and mostly around my shoot days. So yeah, I guess that is how I kind of shoot and edit reels. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do more of these like editing things. I can't really say I'm like a very big pro in editing, but little bit whatever I know, I'll be more than happy to share it with you guys. And yeah, that is it for today. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy.